Hello, this is Dr. Vicky. Today is Wednesday, February 13th. Wow, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I'd like to go over a few things. I hope everyone's doing okay. Let's look at what we're doing this week. We're on week 2. I hope everyone has taken time to view the data visualization primer I created for you. If you haven't, when you get an opportunity, just go ahead and scroll through. You can also double click on it and it will open full screen for you. And I've also got it here attached as a PDF. So it's a lot of good information about visualization. The lesson is how to create beautiful visualization and what makes a good visualization. I've already sent the week 2 at a glance video. Let's go over the week 2 course deliverables again. The discussion 1 initial post, which is lab number 1, it's a step-by-step guided learning in Power BI, is due tonight, the initial post. The discussion 2 initial post, which is a step-by-step guided learning lab number 2, is due tomorrow night on Thursday. Then on Sunday, both of the discussions 1 and 2 response posts to a classmate using the RISE method is due. Also on Sunday, the assignment, which is a movie visualization. There's reading, visualization lessons, and some supplementary articles. The discussion number 1 that's due tonight is data model, how to create a data model in Power BI. There's the instructions, the initial post tonight, and the response post Monday. You will download the attached instructions and the data, and you will work through it step by step, and you will upload the resulting W2 Lab PBIX file. That's the ending format of a file that comes from Power BI, and then tell us in writing what you learned, what you were surprised about, what you think you will use in your profession. And your initial post is to be a minimum of 3 paragraphs representing a heading for each of these. Please use APA formatting. You can paste directly on the discussion board, but upload your paper in APA formatting. There's APA formatting resources right here. Here's the discussion board PDF of the instructions, and there is the zip file with the data that you will be using. Discussion 2, that's due tomorrow, Thursday night, is creating visualizations in Power BI. There's resources I put here from Microsoft on how to publish. Again, the initial post requirements is you will download the attached instructions, complete the step-by-step lab. You'll upload and begin working again on the same file that you finished for the lab 1. And again, you will share your reflections on what you learned, what you were surprised about, what you think we use in your profession, and all of the same rules apply. The assignment is using visuals to tell a story. People seem to enjoy this quite a bit. What you will do is you will create a movie visualization. I have an example of what one looks like here that a student created previously. You will select a movie. You will create an outline of what happens in the movie. What are the major plot points? What background information does the audience need to know? You'll write this out in an outline format, be my suggestion. There should be at least 10 data points that you'll make visualizations for. Gather data for each visualization. If I were doing this about a war movie, it might be useful to visualize a map, then graphs describing any strength, size, or graphs comparing number of weapons, vehicles. Pardon me. Decide what visualizations would be most appropriate for your data. Do not include information about ticket sales, awards, earned, actors' names, unless they happen to be an alumni of Full Sail. You need to create at a minimum a bar chart with actual data, line chart, pie chart, a map of the script or dialogue using actual data, a timeline. Then you will create a dashboard one of the characters in your movie would have wanted. You will use Microsoft Power BI. You will share your visualizations in Microsoft Power BI and share them with me so that I can look at them. and make sure each visualization is appropriate. And then prepare a video where you explain the dashboard you created for your chosen movie character. You upload the video to YouTube and provide the YouTube URL link. Your file names should also include your name. Please upload your Excel sheets with the data that you created to upload into Power BI as well. Okay, I think that should cover everything. I have all the resources here. If you have any questions, by all means, let me know. This is usually a pretty interesting assignment. Students have had positive feedback about it. Make sure your visualizations are real, they're not copy and paste pictures, and they are interactive. Again, if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. Have a great week.